Your combineLatest returns nothing. No errors, no warnings, just silence. Here's why, plus a gotcha that catches even the fix. You combine search input and filter dropdown. Subscribe, nothing happens. 1,000 developers hit this exact wall every month. Here's the code. combineLatest takes your search stream and filter stream. You subscribe, the callback never fires. No error, your feature silently breaks. Here's why. combineLatest waits for every source to emit at least once. Your form just loaded. Search, no keystrokes. Filters, unchanged. So combineLatest waits forever. But the fix is dead simple. One operator, startWith. Pipe each source through startWith. Empty string for search, empty object for filters. combineLatest gets what it needs, fires instantly. Now here's that gotcha I promised. Behavior subject replays its last value to every new subscriber. It emits the moment you subscribe. So if your source is a behavior subject, startWith is redundant. You get double emission. Remove it. Behavior subject already gives combineLatest what it needs. One operator, problem solved. Full guide in the description. Follow for more rxjs gotchas that catch senior devs. Drop a comment, worst combineLatest bug.